Want to make this cute crochet heart in just 1 minute? Perfect for beginners and super easy. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make this adorable mini crochet heart step by step. Start with a magic ring and chain 2. Then make 3 treble crochets. One, 2, 3, 'Next, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, Now make 1 triple crochet. Then make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now add 3 triple crochets. Pull the magic ring tight and shape your heart. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. Cut the yarn, pull through and hide the ends. And your cute little heart is ready. Comment below what I should make next. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.